Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Challenger and you need to find a fuse for the engine starter. Let's say your starter does not work. We'll explain where that fuse is located. Also, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why a starter may not work. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. Specifically, we'll be demonstrating on this 2018 Dodge Challenger, but even if you have a different one, okay, the procedure will be very similar guys. So starting here now, okay, this is your fuse box. If we come right here, let's come a little bit closer now. Right here you can see we have two notches that if you press towards each other, you'll be able to lift the fuse box out. And if you flip it this way now guys, okay, let's put it this way, perfect, you will see that the fuse numbers here, okay, correspond to what we have specifically here. So if you see right that, okay, that's perfect. Now you have multiple fuses guys. You see empty fuses, empty relays. This is because the same fuse box has been used for the even for the police Dodge Challengers, and in that way guys, okay, you have quite a few empty spots. Some are for the 6.2 engine, like for cooling fans and things like that, electric water pumps, but this one guys, the only fuse that you need to check for the engine starter, if you come right here in that left row, if you start from the very left counting 1, 2, 3, we're talking about this 30 amp fuse. This is your starter fuse guys, right here. That's the fuse, okay, that you need to check. If you need to buy new fuses for a really good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get them for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So that's the fuse that you need to check. You have the fuse puller here if you need to get it, okay. It's pretty easy. You just get it, grab the fuse, okay. It's made where you pull them out. Let me show you quick how it works. You grab the fuse, it goes on top of the fuse, okay. You shake it and it comes out. So it's pretty easy procedure guys. You just need to spread it again and it comes out, okay. Hopefully I'll just push it in and see if I can pull the fuse puller out without breaking it, because it got stuck now. But yeah guys, that's how we do it now. One thing that I'll recommend when guys, okay, checking about the fuses, always test them, because sometimes they look like they're fine but they may not be, and sometimes you may think you have a good fuse looking through the glass and you'll be like, okay, I don't need to replace it. So you will go ahead and start spending time and money to fix your problem, when all you had to do test the fuse. It will take you a few seconds and find out it's bad, and that way you can easily guys, okay, replace it. I'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses. If the engine starter still doesn't work, we will have a video that will explain why engine starter does not work on Dodge Challenger. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.